deep fill application with aggregate. In this video, we're going to share how to go about extending Krete with aggregate. Again, setting up a station so that all your components are ready to mix makes it very easy to use. Just like in a pail, add Krete Part B to the mortar mixer. Pour it all around the paddles and the mixer drum itself. Next, you want that 1263 retarder to properly mix into all the Part B liquid you had just added. Krete can be extended by a clean, dry aggregate. Do not use limestone. Add your aggregate to the mixer and get all the aggregate wet. Do not use a drum style mixer. Use a mortar mixer which mixes horizontally. Once all the aggregate is wet, then begin to add Krete Part A powder to your mixer. Depending on your size of mixer will factor how much you can mix. Krete can be extended with roughly 30% of aggregate. Just like in a pail, if you need to adjust the mix consistency, just add the Part A or Part B to your desired slump. Once you like the desired mix you have, get it out of the mixer and dump it into the wheelbarrow and dump it into place. Use a shovel or a trowel to scrape it out. Clean it out so that it's ready for another mix. Use a rake to rake it out if you are in larger holes. With not having water in Krete, this makes doing deep applications much easier. There's no self-priming areas. Krete makes an ionic bond with concrete. So with clean, dry, sound concrete, it self-primes itself. It is easily screeded and can be steel finished at the same time. Another beauty of a feature is that Krete has no minimum or maximum thicknesses when being installed. This gives Krete so many advantages in so many different ways. Krete can also be used vertically and overhead. Like this picture, you can see that we were pumping it well into place. Sometimes Krete on thicker applications will wick up some of the Part B. Grind or sand off this sheen. This must be addressed prior to overcoating.